Assalamu alaikum. Everyone, welcome to Padma Agro Life. Today we are going to show you the vast charlands of the historic Padma River, the lifeline of Bangladesh. As far as the eye can see, there is lush greenery, fresh air, sandy river charlands, and the crystal clear water of the Padma flowing peacefully. This breathtaking natural beauty brings peace to the mind while also creating enormous opportunities for agriculture and livestock farming. These green charlands rising from the river are truly a priceless gift of nature. The natural grasses, leaves and shrubs growing here provide excellent feed for goats. The goats raised in a natural environment are generally healthier and less likely to suffer from disease. The gentle sound of the flowing river, flocks of birds flying across the sky, and the vast open fields create a truly unique atmosphere. Such an environment attracts not only visitors but can also become a dream workplace for goat livestock farmers. One of the greatest advantages of raising goats in areas like the Padma River shoreland is the easy availability of natural feed. This helps reduce feeding cost and keeps overall production expenses under control. However, farm planning should always take floods, heavy rainfall, and seasonal changes into consideration. Dear viewers, natural offers as not only beauty but also countless opportunities for a better livelihood. We are continuously improving our Bengali, Urdu and English language skills. As part of this learning journey, we create and publish informative videos in these languages so that viewers from around the world can benefit. If you have not yet joined the Padma Agro Life family, please subscribe to our channel and follow our Facebook page. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, leave your valuable comments and share it with friends interested in agriculture and livestock. That's all for today. We look forward to seeing you again in our next video with more useful information. Stay happy, stay healthy and take good care of yourselves. Thank you.